Hello peeps, today we'll take a look at the best instant camera 2022 in the market. I made this list based on my favorite, and I'm trying to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the up-to-date prices and more information about these excellent instant cameras, you can check out the link in the description below. Let's get started. Best overall, Instax SQ6. The value-minded SQ1 makes Fuji's Instax square format film much more approachable for anyone unfamiliar with instant photography. It has the same accessible to understand features and an excellent auto exposure system as the Instax Mini 11. Only the photos it spits out are almost twice as large. An adjustable lens barrel and built-in mirror are helpful for close-ups and selfie shots, and the automatic flash is usually smart enough to keep indoor and low-light snaps looking good once they develop. There aren't any other shooting modes to think about, or even luxuries like a tripod thread. The plastic construction feels noticeably less premium than the more expensive Instax SQ6, so this camera is better suited to instant newcomers than creatives looking to experiment with the medium. Still, it's a welcome step up from the entry-level Instax for those wanting larger prints without adding a handful of extra features they may not want to use. Best for beginners, Fujifilm Instax Mini 11. The Fujifilm Instax Mini 11 is a chunky plastic camera that comes in various refreshing pastel colors. It may not have the same vintage feel as the Polaroids, but it does have its own charm, whether you're going on holiday, attending a wedding, or escaping to the countryside for the weekend. The Instax Mini 11 is small enough to keep in your bag. You can also buy rather trendy cross-body cases to keep them in, so it's even more accessible. It's powered by two AA batteries that need to be replaced frequently. If the camera ever appears not to be working, the batteries need to be replaced. Do not fear. Fujifilm has done away with the exposure control dial and opted for automatic exposure, so you have one less thing to worry about and are less likely to waste shots. They make great gifts for adults or kids if you want an easy-to-use instant film camera. Best budget, Instax Mini 40. Instax cameras are knockout fun with a side of lo-fi cool, and none exemplify this more than the beautiful Instax Mini 40. With its stylish black and silver trim, the Mini 40 looks the part, and it's incredibly simple to operate. There are no exposure controls or controls of any kind. You point and shoot. This might be a bit too simple for some users, but if you're the kind of person who just wants to produce instant images without having to worry about it, this is a fantastic buy. The simplicity also makes it a good option for kids, who will be able to get the hang of operating it efficiently. Instax prints are smaller than Polaroids, but look pretty great and will develop with unbelievable speed. Plus, let's not forget that the film is cheaper to buy, and these costs will add up over time if you're a frequent shooter. The Instax Mini 40 is an excellent instant camera for families and parties alike. Best compact, Polaroid Go. The Polaroid Go is a palm-sized camera that everyone will fall in love with faster than it takes a photo to develop. Bigger instant cameras balance exposures better, and rival Instax Mini cameras deliver slightly better image quality indoors. But neither are as fun to use or will make you as many friends as the Go, which still produces pleasing pics. A consideration is that Instax Mini film works out cheaper than Polaroid Go film, but then you'll also need to replace those AA batteries on the Mini, whereas the Go just needs a USB to top up the power. And the Go boasts double exposures, which you won't get unless you opt for pricier options like the Instax Mini 90. A fun and funky little camera, the Polaroid Go will be the star of your next party and will deposit an endless amount of memories in your pocket or wallet. And if you've got kids, this could be the ideal camera for little hands to get started with. Best wide, Fujifilm Instax Wide 300. The Fujifilm Instax Wide 300 is the big daddy of the Instax family. It's powered by 4 AA batteries rather than the usual 2. But this chunky camera isn't far off the size of a medium format system. It can deliver much larger prints using the Instax wide film packs, making it much better for group shots. However, if you're looking for a camera to take selfies with, the chunky design of the Instax Wide 300 makes it hard, so one of the smaller cameras on this list might be better. Despite its size, it is still relatively lightweight thanks to its plastic build, and it benefits from a lens that can extend up to 95mm. The built-in flash is much more powerful than other Instax cameras and is great for using as a fill. Although the viewfinder is still small, it doesn't have any creative modes and can't be used with an app. But if you just want larger prints, then this is the best option for you.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our latest uploads.